Hi, this is Dr. Bruce Fong. I'm the medical director here at Sierra Integrative Medical Center. I'm really here to talk to you right now about a wonderful product that we need to help our patients get better, and it's probably one of the most important things that you can do to maintain your health and to have healthy aging. And I'm speaking of the Nutronics Labs IGF-1 Plus product. And what this is a deer antler velvet extract, which primarily contains the primary motivator of growth hormone in your body, which is insulin-like growth factor 1 or IGF-1. This particular compound can help you to not only maintain muscle tone or repair damage to your body, whether it's from injury or from illness, which is why we really use it here at the clinic to help all of our patients recover after we've gotten rid of the underlying illness in their body. And it is vital for that recovery, but it's also vital for you to maintain your health. And that maintenance of health and that healthy aging is one of the most important things you can do to prevent diseases. We'd rather you prevent things than need for us to turn around and do all kinds of different workups and have to put you all through different kinds of treatments. So please, work on preventing illness by maintaining your bodies. And one of the greatest things is to have this particular product, again, the Nutronics Labs IGF-1 Plus.